Hello everyone, I am Saman. This is the channel IGCSE and GCSE Maths School. This channel posts videos on mathematics to help you pass your exams, CAS, SAT, CAT, PSAT, NMSQT, Edexcel IGCSE and Cambridge O-level and other parallel examinations. So I have already uploaded a video on the rules of directed numbers, rules of operations of directed numbers. And today we are going to discuss some examples of how to apply those rules of operations of directed numbers to work out some operations of directed numbers. Now, here there are 25 examples that I hope to discuss. And look at the first one. First one is plus 2, that plus 2 plus 4. Now, we have already discussed the rules of operations of directed numbers in the first video. The link of that has been mentioned in the description below. And you go through that link and with that video and you'll be able to know the rules. There are two sets of rules for operations of directed numbers. Two rules for the additions and subtractions and two rules for multiplication and divisions. Then there are two rules of addition and subtractions. One rule is for the addition and subtraction of directed numbers of equal signs. The other rule is for the addition and subtraction of directed numbers with different signs. Now, numbers of equal signs are added and put the same sign with the answer. That is the rule applying to the directed numbers of the same sign. The numbers of different signs are subtracted and put sign the larger number with the answer. So that is the rule applying for addition and subtraction of the directed numbers of different signs. When it comes to multiplication and division, there are two rules that you have to follow to multiply and divide with the numbers. There are also the rules are based on whether the numbers have equal signs or different signs. If when two numbers of equal signs are multiplied or divided, the answer becomes always positive. When two numbers of different signs are multiplied or divided, always the answer is negative. So there are the two rules of multiplication and division of directed numbers. Now those rules have been discussed in the previous video. The link has been has been mentioned in the description below. Go through the link given in the description below and watch that video. And today we are going to discuss these examples using those rules, how to apply those rules. Now look at the first example. There's plus 2 plus 4. Here there are two numbers of the same sign. The same sign is plus. According to the rule, two numbers of the same sign are added and to the same sign. Here you add this 2 and 4 and that is plus 6 will be the answer. Right. Next one. Here there's another second question. Second question, here we have this sign of 2 has been put diagonally, not horizontally in line with 2. This is also one way in which this direction of the number can be shown. Otherwise, the sign of the number can be seen. This is nothing but plus 2. This can be written as plus 2. Then this can be written as plus 2 plus. Here also 8 also the sign has been placed diagonally. So this means nothing but plus 8. Now here, then you can write this as plus 2 plus and plus 8. Like that you can write. Okay. Then plus 2 plus plus 8. Then this you can write as 2 plus 2 plus 8 and answer will be 10 because now it is now according to the rules we discussed in the previous video. When you have two signs like this, you can multiply those signs. The sign multiplication has been done in the previous video. Better go to that video and watch it. And according to the rule of multiplication of directed numbers of the same sign, you multiply it. Bracket means multiplication. You multiply plus by plus. You multiply plus by plus. sign will be positive, right? Then that's how you get this positive, multiplying these two according to the rule of multiplication of directed numbers. Then here -2 +2 +10. Answer will be +10 here. +10. Right, next one. Third one. -2 -1. Here is also a case where there are two numbers of the same sign, both the numbers have minus signs, then two numbers you add and put the same sign here, negative, then -6. Then -3 +5. Here there are two numbers of different signs. There is no addition, multiplication or division here. Addition and subtraction only is there. Therefore, -3 +5. One number is minus, other number is plus. Then you subtract the two numbers and put the sign of the larger number according to the rule. Then here -3 +5. Then after subtracting, answer is 2. That is +2. Sign of the larger number is plus. Then next one. Then +8 plus -5. Then here this sign has been placed diagonally. Here plus sign of 8. Then you can write this like this, +8. Then plus here. Then again you remove brackets by multiplying these two signs. So now when you multiply two different signs, always sign is negative. We have done that in the previous video. Go to the video and watch it. The link of that video has been mentioned in the description in this video. Then multiply these two, plus into minus. Here you can write -5. Now two numbers of different signs you subtract. Then you get the answer -8 + 5. You subtract, then answer will be 3. Sign of the larger number is 8. Therefore you put +3. Answer will be +3. Answer will be +3. Right. Now, next one, 8. 8 plus -11. Then that is here 8, here plus, and this is just like -11. You can write in this way. Then here you multiply these two again. When you multiply two different signs, the answer is always negative. Therefore, plus into minus, 8 -11. Answer will be, you have not to get two numbers of different signs. You have to subtract. Then after subtracting 8 and 11, you get 3. But the sign of the larger number is minus. Then it will be -3. Right. Then next one, 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. 10 minus plus 5. Here also now you remove the brackets by multiplying these two signs. You multiply two numbers, multiply two different signs, then sign will be negative. You can write this as plus into minus, then 5. Then again you get the two numbers of different signs. 10 is positive, so therefore you subtract, the sign of the larger number is plus. Then you put +5. After deducting 5 from 10, it is 5. Now 10 minus +6. Now look at this one also, you can write the same way. There's like 10 minus and +6. This is what it is. Then here there is multiplication of two different signs, minus into plus. Then it will be negative, otherwise minus. Then according to the rule of multiplying two different signs multiplied, the answer is negative, right? Therefore always 10. Here negative multiplied by positive will be negative. You can write it like this, -6. Then answer will be how much? 10 negative. Then 10 minus 6. Then two numbers of different signs. 10 is positive, 6 is negative. Then you deduct. Then answer is you subtract. Then answer 4. 4. Then the sign of the large number is positive and put it plus. Right. Now 6 here. 6 minus -5. You can write. You can get questions like this without putting brackets. You can get the two signs together without putting brackets sometimes. Then you can write it putting brackets like this. Like this. You can write it like this. Okay. This means this, nothing else, right? Then you remove brackets, now multiply minus. When you multiply two as equal signs, answer is always positive according to the multiplication rule of directed numbers. Then in minus into minus +6, this one +5. Answer will be two numbers of the same sign, same positive sign are to be added. Therefore 11. Answer will be positive 11. Right, next one. Again 5 plus plus, then in the same way this also can be written as 5 plus 7 within brackets, plus 7 within brackets. Then you can multiply the signs and remove brackets, then plus sign multiplied by plus sign, you are multiplying the two same signs, therefore you that those two signs multiply into positive. When you multiply two same signs, the answer is you get the positive sign always. Then 5 plus 7, there are two numbers of the same sign, therefore you have to add 5, 7, 12 plus. Right. Next one, minus 8, then minus 8. This also you can write when there are two signs together, you can always write, put in brackets like this, same thing. Then you remove brackets by multiplying this positive sign by negative sign. Then positive, negative, when you multiply two numbers, two different signs are multiplied, then sign will be negative minus 8. Here it is negative 3. Then minus 8 minus 3. Now you have got two numbers of the same sign. You add, then 8 and 3, 11. Then the same sign in both the numbers is negative. Right. Now you come to this one, 12th one. You get mixed operation. There are several numbers of negative sign and several numbers of positive sign. What you have to do when you have got numbers, several numbers of different signs, like you write the numbers with this, equal sign together like this. 2 minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 7. And other two numbers, there are two positive numbers, 9, and you write them after that, right? Now, what you do is you go on adding. Now you can add all these negative numbers together because they have the same sign. All these four numbers have the same sign. Therefore, you can add all four together. Minus 2, minus 6, then 4, 6, 2 plus 6, 4, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 11, 12 plus 7, 19. Here all are negative, therefore negative 19. Then next one. Next two numbers are positive, therefore they can be added together. Positive numbers can be added. Then you can add 9 and 3 together. Then 9 plus 3, 12. Those two numbers have the same sign, positive, therefore positive 12. Right. Now here I've got two numbers of different signs, then negative 19 and positive 12. Therefore you subtract according to the rule of addition and subtraction of two numbers of different signs. Then you add those two, you subtract those two where they have different signs. Then answer will be how much? 19 plus 19, when you subtract the two numbers, answer is 7. Then you can write 7. Two numbers of different signs. There will subtract the two numbers. After subtract two numbers, answer is 7. Then you have to put the sign of the larger number. So larger number has sign negative 90. Right. Next one. Then go to the next 13th one. 13th and 4. There are several numbers. They are of different signs. Then you, as you did in the 12th question, 12th example, you can write all the negative numbers together and the positive numbers together like this: minus 3, minus 7, then plus 4, plus 5, and plus 10. Right now, you can, there are two positive numbers, two numbers of the same, there are two negative numbers, two numbers of the same negative, there you can add those two according to the rule of addition of directed numbers of the same sign. Then minus 3, minus 7, then minus 10. Two numbers of the same sign added, then put the same sign. Here the same sign is negative. Then here there are three numbers of positive sign, then three numbers of the same sign positive. Therefore, you can add all those positive numbers. Then 4, 9, 19. Then all three numbers are positive. Therefore, answer positive. Have the same sign positive. Now you have got two numbers of different signs. Then when you have two numbers of different signs, subtract 9. So what is the sign of the large number? Here the large number is 90, its sign is positive, therefore answer is 9 and the sign is positive, right? Now next one, 14th, then we move into the multiplication. The two rules of multiplication: when two numbers of the same sign are multiplied or divided, answer become positive. Then minus 3 into minus 4, the same sign, two numbers, same sign are multiplied. Therefore, answer is positive. 3 times 4, 12. Answer is positive. Then you get next one, 5 into 19. When numbers of different signs are multiplied, when two numbers of different signs are multiplied, answer always is negative. Here, positive sign number, negative number, two numbers different signs. You multiply 4 times 5, 20, and signs are different. One positive, one negative. Therefore, sign is negative. The answer is negative. Then minus 6 into 4, again the same thing. The one number is negative, other number is positive. They have now, and you multiply two numbers of the same sign. Answer is negative. 4 times 4, we multiply numbers of different signs. Two numbers of different signs. Answer is negative. Minus 6 into 4, minus 24. Right. Next one. Again the same thing. The plus 10 and minus 12. You multiply the two numbers of different signs. When you multiply two numbers of different, the answer is always negative. 10 into minus 12. Then you multiply 10 by 12, it is 120 minus 120. Now go to next one, 18. There are several numbers. But in this case, you multiply pair by pair the numbers. Now you take this pair. This pair is a pair of numbers of the same sign, that is negative. Therefore, after multiplying this pair, the answer must be positive. As you multiply the two numbers with the same negative sign, minus 2 into minus 3, it is minus plus 6. This is plus 6. Then into this minus 5. Now you have two numbers of different signs to be multiplied. The answer is negative. Therefore, 6 times 5 minus 30. Then right. Now you go to the next one, 19th one. Minus 5 into minus 3. Again, three numbers are to be multiplied. Out of the first two are negative. And when you multiply the two negative numbers, they have the same sign. Answer must be negative. After multiplying these two, 5 times 3, 15. That is plus 15. Then into that 4. Now you have got the two numbers of the same sign, plus 15 and plus 4. Then multiply this by, you get the answer 60 plus. Then next one, 20. 4 into minus 3 in the first two numbers. One is negative, one is positive. Therefore, multiply these two numbers of different signs. Multiply, answer is negative. Then minus 12 here, and multiply that by 5. That's positive 5. Now you have got two numbers of different signs again to be multiplied. That's minus 12 into 5. Then you multiply, the answer is negative. There are 12 times 5, 60, negative 60. Now next one, 21, and then minus 1 into 3 into minus 2. Again, the first two numbers are numbers of different signs. When you multiply, answer is negative, and 6 times minus 18. Then into minus 2. Now when you multiply minus 18 by minus 2, again the two numbers of the same sign, answer is positive. Then 36 positive. Right. Now next one. Then minus 16 divided by 2. Right. Then direct number rule for dividing numbers. Then when you divide in directed numbers, the rule is when numbers of different signs are divided, the answer is negative. When the numbers of the same sign are divided, the answer is positive. That is the principle. Then two numbers of different signs are to be divided. Then therefore answer is always negative. Therefore 16 divided by 2 is 8, but negative. Next one. Here there are two numbers of different signs to be divided. 20 divided by minus 4. There are two numbers of different signs to be divided. Then 20 divided by 4 is minus 5. Because two numbers of the same signs are, two numbers of different signs are to be divided. Go to 24. 24th one, minus 22, minus 10. Two numbers of the same sign are to be divided. Therefore, answer is positive. Put here, 22 divided by 2 means 11, positive 11. Next one, 25. 36 divided by, then two numbers of different signs are to be divided. Therefore, the answer is negative. Then 36 divided by minus 3 means minus 12. Right. So this is how the rules of operations of directed numbers are used to add, subtract, multiply, divide the directed numbers. So I think you understood these things again and again. Watch the video and try to understand. If you have any problems, just comment in the comment section, and I will explain the difficulties. If you have difficulties, put a comment in the comment section and let me know it. And today's video is that's all, and I'm placing another video tomorrow also, and I'm placing in this channel IGCSE and GCSE Maths School videos are posted daily, and that is to help you to pass your mathematics in the examinations such as SAT, CAT, PSAT, NMSQT, Cambridge O-Level, and Edexcel IGCSE, and other parallel exams also. So therefore, this is one of the common area that we are discussing now these days. And I have done already one video. This is the second one of this on this particular area of mathematics. Therefore, this is a very important area of mathematics, directed numbers, and working with directed numbers for all syllabus streams. So therefore, I watch these videos and subscribe to the channel, and I'm placing another video tomorrow, and expecting you to meet you the tomorrow's video. Goodbye to you. See you.